Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah Grace and this is day 5 of a week in my life as a content creator. It is Friday, which means we're going to be going to Animal Kingdom today, which I'm really excited to take you guys along with me to get some content, take some Instagram photos, make some TikToks, and have a wild time. I also have a really special surprise for you guys today, which is not something that I thought I was going to be able to do during this series, but it ended up working out perfectly. We're actually going to be going to a media event tonight. We're going to be attending a media dine with Chicken Guy, who was so kind as to host me for one of my TikToks for my Date Night in Disney series. And I'm really excited to take you guys along with me to see the ins and outs of what one of those look like and to get kind of the behind the scenes of what it's like to do a hosted or sponsored event and see the finished product of it. I'm really excited for today's video. I hope that you guys are too. Let's go ahead and get into our Friday. Good morning, it is Friday, yay! We're going to Animal Kingdom today and we should be doing a special something tonight that's gonna be really fun. I am editing this morning. This is what the setup looks like. I've got a TikTok going here. I've got my editing of the videos here and I'm uploading them here because these don't, my memory card doesn't fit my computer. So got the setup going. Wesley's being husband of the year and tidying while I edit. And then, yeah, we'll get ready to go to DAC. I'm really excited. All right, we're ready for DAC. This is outfit number 1. I only brought a few outfits because this is like the main one I want to get pics in over in Africa. But I've got these, my Air Forces. Okay, also, I know I keep saying always my Air Forces, but in a previous style vlog, I've talked about the fact that they're my go-to park shoes because they are fun and trendy, but they're also so comfy.
Not only are they fun and trendy.
This is a fun skirt that I got from a store called Homecoming Honolulu in Hawaii. The shirt is Urban Outfitters, the hat is Free People, and we are off to have a wild time. Honestly, I'm thriving. It is the perfect day to be here. The weather is so mild.
Thank you. DAC.
We were able to come in and go straight onto Flight of Passage. This is Wesley's first time ever going. He's like so in awe. He's like a kid. He's like, look at this. If you haven't done Flight of Passage, you know your first time. Or if you have done, you know your first time is like a big deal. Are you impressed with the queue? Isn't it cool?
Very cool.
It's so cool. What did you think? I love taking people on that for the first time. Y'all, the wait times are so low right now. They're literally letting people ride again. They're like, you can cut line if you want and go ride again, which is crazy. If you know Flight of Passage, you know that this line is usually so long. Like, you should wait hours. But so for it to be, we walked right on. It was not 20 minutes like I thought. The longest part was like actually walking up through the queue, which was crazy. So now we're doing Navi River, which we've done that one before, but it's been a while. I got to see one of my really good friends from Instagram, Charlie, today, which was really fun. We've texted before, and so it was really nice seeing again, make connections on social media because you'll meet in real life and it's awesome and it's so cool. So we're gonna do Navi and then we're gonna get a snack and then I'm gonna take pics in my Africa outfit so I can change it to the next one. We just got the night blossom.
It's the best way.
And I don't know if you...
I'm interrupting your vlog.
No, that's okay.
I had to let the people know.
So we got a night blossom, which is so good. It's one of my favorites. I used to get it every time I came to DAC when I was on my CP here. It tastes literally like a sweet tart, and we're gonna sit in the shade and drink it. But I have to let y'all know. So I posted a TikTok earlier today, and it was literally the easiest one I've ever made. It was just us driving to DAC, and it's actually kind of doing well. So I will keep y'all updated on that. We're gonna sit here and drink our night blossom, but no, so the wait time was a little bit long because they were cleaning the ride vehicles, which was awesome. So we were the first ones to ride on fresh vehicles. We're gonna enjoy our night blossom. Let me see. Also, we're in an area all by ourselves. Don't worry, there's no one around us. So good.
Have you had one of the ones with rum?
Mm-mm. Such a treat. What? Just took a little break at Creature Comforts. For those of you who don't know, you can go there to get free water. It's a Starbucks, obviously, and most Starbucks offer free water. Now we're headed to Africa so I can get some content in my little fit and ride safaris. So we just took our pictures in Africa, and I have to tell y'all, in Harambe Market is where we ended up having the best luck because there's no one there right now. And we found the most beautiful wall. I have a creator tip for you. And something that Alia said yesterday is like, don't settle for something that you don't love. Like, you know, don't just post it to like you have to post. Like, work till you get what you want. And like, cause the first couple of pictures, I like them and I'll probably use them at some point.
but they weren't what I was envisioning for the pictures and for the outfit I have on. And so when we found that spot, it was just like, that's exactly it. I'm gonna show the pictures here so you guys can see what we got today. But I'm really pleased. I think it's really important to remember that you don't ever have to settle for less, and if you hate them, try again the next day, or you know, keep working till you get exactly what you want. And also just in general, the whole Harambe area has amazing spots for photography. So we're gonna get on safari and go see some animals. And thank you to my fabulous photographer today for being patient with me, and be patient with yourself. That's also really important. Patience with yourself. Woo!
You can already see one on the farm right behind us.
OOTD number 2, my top is Main Street Morgan. My overalls are urban, and I still got the same bag and shoes and my Mickey ears. Now we're going to ride Yeti, which we love to see it. This ride has been pretty consistently a lower wait time, which is good for us. Had some slight change of plans. We got really hungry, and Everest was like 30 minutes. And so we came to Flame Tree, and I've already eaten half it, but Flame Tree is my absolute favorite in-park restaurant. I got the Mandarin lemonade, which is so yummy. We're sitting all by ourselves aside for some cast members, which is really nice, just to kind of take a break from the world. That was the move, because now it is a walk-on. I don't like this ride. I don't at all. It scares me. But I really love my husband, who this is like his favorite ride. So gosh darn it, I'm going on it. Okay friends, so we're now going to our surprise. I wasn't exactly sure if it was gonna happen today, so that's why I haven't said anything about it yet, but I get to take you guys with me to a media event. We have a media dine tonight at Chicken Guy, and what that is that's a hosted event where we go and they're going to provide us a meal in exchange for a review, and I'm doing a TikTok on it. I'm not sure if you knew, but I did a date night series video, or I did a date night video whenever we went on a date night to the boathouse. Just kind of, I thought maybe this would be a cute video, maybe people would be interested, and it ended up really blowing up. I think it's at like 800,000 views right now, and so I used that as leverage to negotiate with other restaurants in Disney Springs, and ended up getting several media dines. We've been with Wine Bar George, we're now going to Chicken Guy, and there's a couple of others that I have been in contact with that we're working out dates for, which is really cool. And I'm really excited that it worked out that I was going this week, and I get to take you guys along with us. So our event starts at 7, and we were gonna get there about 20 minutes early, and we normally park in Lime Garage, and Lime Garage is full. We're like, oh, we'll go to Orange Garage, it's right across from there anyway. They have police cars blocking it, and they said Disney Springs is at capacity, and we tried to ask them, because I was like, I have work to go to in there, and they said it is closed, keep moving. So I do not know what we're gonna be doing right now. I'm waiting to hear back from Chicken Guy. I think we're just gonna kind of circle and see if we can wait it out a little bit, because at the moment we are stuck. We made it, we're good to go. We're about to go in and get set up, and then we'll start our media dine. We just placed our order, and I'm so excited about what we've got. We've got chicken tenders, we've got loaded fries, we've got sandwiches. Oh, it's gonna be so good. I cannot wait to try it. The whole spread.
Alright,
so we're trying every single sauce to the whole report, but everything has been so good so far. This is an amazing salad. That was just next level. My favorite so far, hot honey, donkey sauce, special sauce, and the buffalo. But they're literally all so good.
you have anything to say? That one's so good, isn't it?
Holy cow. It's so good. Dude, that was awesome. An incredible experience. I'll tell you all about it when we get home. Gonna sip on our milkshakes while we finish going through Springs. And it's been a great day. When I get home, I'll talk about this not in the vlog, and see you there. Well, this is the reality of being a content creator, is coming home after a very long day of making a lot of different content and putting on your Pooh Bear pajamas. Honestly, I want you guys to see the real side of me and like get to see who I am. And so, you know what? I was like, should I change? No, I'm gonna stay in my Pooh Bear pajamas. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope that it was fun, that you guys enjoyed coming along on my park day and then on to my media event. I'll leave you with this. If you ever want to work with a brand, always reach out and ask, because you know the worst thing they can do is say no, and if they say yes, you might end up with some really cool opportunities, and that's something that I've learned, and we'll talk a little bit more about what that looks like tomorrow. I hope that you guys have a sunshiny day. If you're not already, follow me on my socials. Be sure to do so. I am the Sunny SG on Instagram and TikTok, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. We only have 2 more days left in the week in my life, but don't worry, I'm going to be diving headfirst back into vlogging again after that, so there will be plenty of fun stuff coming to this channel soon as well. I love you guys so much, and I'm so grateful for you guys for watching this series, and I hope that you guys are getting some awesome information out of it, and I cannot wait for the next 2 days.